Hi everyone, welcome to Chartview. This is Arvind. Today we are going to discuss the pre-market analysis for 10th June tomorrow. So friends, we'll first discuss regarding Nifty as usual. And if you are new to the channel, and I know most of you are new to the channel, so please subscribe for quick updates and press the bell icon also for quick updates so that if you'll see those videos for continuously you can get the charm of these resistance and support lines and also please comments so first we'll discuss regarding the option chain analysis for the Nifty. So from the option chain we have found that 16500 and 400, these are the first and second straddle today. How we have found out, you may be knowing that if you'll add the put and call OIs for both all the strikes in a Excel sheet, definitely you will get that 16500 has the highest open interest, adding both put and call open interest, and 16400 has the second highest. So likewise, but this resistance you may have to get from the option chain. You have to analyze. Actually, we are getting it from our algo by and some statistical calculations. There is no direct method about it. So as per our calculations, we have found that the 16500 resistance corresponds to 16604 and 16400 resistance correspond to 16565. So also the supports are like this: 16283 and 16306 for 16500. So friends, today it was a very perfect expiry because where the formation of the strike first hurdle was there like 16500, today in Nifty the closing was there only, means it closed near 16500 around 16478. That's why I had mentioned in my post market analysis video that I had given got a perfect expiry. So friends, as for the buying today, we may be again tomorrow very excited that there will be some buying. Definitely there will be some buying because you see from 16500 days to 2 days before there was a buying, but there was a resistance from 16 6 around this level, that was around 16612. But today's calculation is coming around 16500 resistance, that is around 16604. You can see here, you can see here, okay. And 16400 resistance is coming at 16565, but 16400 is the highest straddle formation. And this is one type of war is going on in the market. Actually the war is always between the first and second candidate, and first and second warrior, you can say. So but sometimes what happens, these levels are also overridden actually if there is a huge negative and positive sentiments. But it has closed between the actual first second straddle. So if it is starting from the normal level, or it is having some uh, gap up, suppose in this zone around, it will be happen, definitely it is happening if it is a gap up happening tomorrow, definitely it will happen around this zone, that is 600 400 16400 pr resistance level, that is 16565. But after gap up, there is a huge possibility that there will be selling, because definitely it gets the resistance from 16400 level. And if the selling is continuing, and it may try to get a support at 16500 or around 16450, you can say. But again it will try to rise, and if it is getting a support over here, then definitely what will happen, it will try to touch again 16400 565, and in maximum it will touch the 16604, it can touch. And the day may pass with this thing. So again the phenomena will happen on Monday as per the option on OI formation for tomorrow. So friends, you see this is one type of movement. If it is a gap up again also it is moving fast, then here it will get resistance, but here there may be a zigzag manner. But if it is getting support over here, then it may go to 700 or 650 or 700 zone, but that is a rare possibility. But definitely there will be selling, and if it is a resistance at PR, definitely it will come to 16450 or 400 zone once again. And if it is a consolidated type of thing happening tomorrow, definitely immediately it will go to 16400, and it will have a zigzag manner over here. and it may move like this also. If it is breaking 400 and it is coming from the PR level, so it may try to touch come to this zone, but here around 16340 or 50 it may get a rest. And if it is a gap down opening, definitely it will happen around 16400 and it will try to touch or come down over here. If it is heavy selling or negative sentiment is continuing, it may come to again 16400 the power support line, that is 16283. So there may be zigzag pattern again rise from here, because market is very volatile nowadays, so these things may happen. So what will happen in bank nifty, now we'll discuss. So in bank nifty, you see, some of you may be thinking that these indicators are given by TradingView. No, no, it is not given by TradingView. These are actually designed by our team, and we are just filling the data value, and we are getting this straight line indicators. But it is not an indicator. It is designed by our algos. It is a resistance and support level by Chartview. And tomorrow, if it is a bank nifty type of thing happening, and you are doing a trading in bank nifty, you see that the straddle formation is at 35,000, that is 35366 is the resistance, and 34662 is the support, and 36,000 is the second straddle, and the support is at 35113. So friends, what will happen tomorrow? You see from the picture, 36,000 second straddle resistance is at 36076. So friends, if it is a opening tomorrow here, definitely it will get a resistance from PR level and it will come down again to S2 or the first strike, that is 35,000 again. But if it is a support getting here at 35,000, it will try to break 35,300 resistance, that is 35433, and it will try to touch 35655, that is the resistance of 35500 levels, means 35,500 resistance. This is one possibility, and if it is a gap up over here and it getting staying in the first half in this zone, and there is a maximum possibility that it may go to up to 36,000 with a 1000 gain, but these are rare possibility. Definitely it will get a resistance from pure and there will be selling tomorrow. But if it is a gap down type of opening and it is getting a 35,000 resistance, definitely it will toss 34662, that is the support of 35,000, and in maximum case it may go to also 34,500, 34,500 support level, that is 34362. So you please note down these levels also. These are the available where I have mentioned already. And so please see these things carefully and be cautious. And actually we are using some pure technical methods based on the bet on the option chain in put and call side. So try to understand this. These are not indicators, these are actually price levels which generate the price action, that you have to believe. Price action is nothing but the behavior of price over a period of time, and you are using 5 minute candles, which is based on our research study why there is a curvature from some levels. So these levels are important, which we are calculating mathematically by our algo and QC modeling. So if we'll see these levels for some days, then definitely you'll have an idea, and you are getting this freely now. And you may also get it for another some months or years. But try to focus on these levels. Actually it will help at understanding the market. We are not telling that yes, means it will get support from here, it will get resistance from here. But because in previous stage there was a resistance, from previous day there is a support. But we are telling that there is a line at this level from for this strike. We are mentioning here 35,35366, which is considering the resistance of the 2 days before resistance. And that's why 35,000 is the power resistance, is the fast the fast hurdle. That's why it will give a resistance. We are not telling that there was a resistance from this level from 2 days back, that's why there will be selling. Our language is totally different. We are telling based on the strike levels, actually where is the fast straddle and where is the second straddle, because the fast and second straddle as the controller of the markets normally it happens. But in some cases there are a severe severe gap down, which overrides those this by a PR and PS level, then that gap up gap down strikes play the roles. Actually immediately there is huge call writing or put writing or put unwinding or call unwinding. So that is another matter of things. But in normal opening you have to believe these levels, because these levels are working perfectly. You have to see it for some days, then you can realize the power of this resistance and support lines. Thanks for watching friends. Please like, share, subscribe our video, and have a good night.